Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video on my channel Explore with Ahmeduddin. Earning money has always been restricted to the traditional offline ways. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more and more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows. For many people, making money online would be an absolute dream come true. If they could find a way to make money with a website or some other online venture, they could quit their job to focus on entrepreneurship, spend more time with their family, and finally take back control of their time and their lives. The outstanding thing is, earning money online isn't a dream anymore. Let's take a look at 7 ways to make money online. Think of these options as a supplemental source of income with the potential in some cases to be a whole lot more. Number 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has plenty of options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that best suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set so that interested clients can contact you directly. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, and Guru are some of the most amazing websites that offer freelance jobs. Some of the skills in demand are website and mobile app development, content writing, graphic designing and illustration, and a lot more. Number 2. Start your own website. There's enough material available online to help you put together your own website. This includes choosing your domain, templates, layout, and the overall design for your website. Once ready to serve the visitors with the relevant content, sign up for Google AdSense, which when applied to your website and clicked on by visitors, helps you make money. The more traffic you get on your website, the higher the earnings. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running, opt for affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links onto your website. This is a symbiotic partnership. When visitors at your site purchase products or services by clicking on such links, you can make a commission out of it. Number 4. Language translation. Knowing a language other than English may even help you earn some extra cash. There are several websites that offer translation projects that require translating a document from one language into another. This may include Spanish, French, Arabic, German, or any other language to or from English. Normally, you are paid per word. In addition to the previously mentioned freelance websites, translation projects can also be found on peopleperhour.com or translatorspot.com. Number 5. Online tutoring. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can earn by tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides a means to connect online with students of all ages across the globe to provide help and tutoring in the subjects for which you have demonstrated expertise. Some of the renowned websites to approach for online tutoring are Tutor.com, TutorMe.com, Schooly.com, and a plenty more. Number 6. Data entry. Although this line of work is seriously threatened by automation, there are still plenty of data entry jobs available online. It is one of the simplest jobs you can do online and requires no specific skills. You just have to have a computer, internet connection, fast typing skills, and the ability to pay attention to details. Most freelancing websites list data entry jobs, and you can sign up on any of them to start earning in the range of $3 to $8 an hour. Number 7. YouTube. If you're not comfortable in penning down your thoughts through blogs, make use of your camera or presentation skills to create a video. Create your YouTube channel, upload videos, and start monetizing them. Choose a category or subject that you want to make videos on and get started, but make sure it's a topic that will interest a lot of people, just like how I choose my topics for my YouTube channel. Everything from cooking shows to political debates can attract many viewers on YouTube. As you make your channel popular and the number of subscribers grow, so will your earning potential. Normally, YouTubers make $3 to $5 for every 1,000 views on their videos. However, you should note then monetization only begins upon 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. I'm hoping that if you liked this video and find it useful, do support me in reaching my milestones on YouTube by subscribing to my channel and sharing this video. Do check out other fascinating videos as well, and for more interesting research-based videos, stay tuned only on Explore with Ahmeduddin. See you next time.